Hello everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen all my previous videos. In case you have not seen, please go through it.
Dear students, in today's session we discuss interesting concept that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. We know that two angles are said to be complementary angles when their sum is 90 degree. Okay, first let us see here. I have drawn a rectangle triangle ABC. Okay, so here B is right angle and A and C are acute angles. I have written all the six trigonometric ratios by taking angle A as a reference angle. Similarly, when I am going to take as a reference angle C, I have defined again six trigonometric ratios. Here sin A equals, when I take A as a reference angle, for the angle A is AB is adjacent side, BC is opposite side. Sin A equals opposite side BC divided by hypotenuse. When I have considered C as a reference angle, for angle C, BC is adjacent side, AB is opposite side. Therefore, sin C equals opposite side AB divided by hypotenuse. I have written all the six ratios for angle A and angle C. Okay, here this angle is 90 degree. Means here, what happens here? Angle A plus C equals 90 degree. Because rectangle triangle, sum of the angles equals 180 degree. So here A plus C equals 90 degree. Therefore, C equals 90 minus A. Is it right? So here let us see here. I am going to derive very important concept here. Here sin C equals AB by AC. Is it right? I am going to replace C as 90 minus A. Then what happens here? So this is equal to sin of 90 minus A. Is it right? Next, similarly, this C I am going to replace as 90 minus A, cos of 90 minus A. Next, so this is, you write tan as it is, you replace C as 90 minus A. Here also replace cosecant of, you replace C by 90 minus A. Next, you write secant as it is, you replace here as 90 minus A. And that is equal to, you write cot as it is, you replace C by 90 minus A. Is it right? Okay, see here, I am going to erase all these results. Okay. Next, here it means that sin of 90 minus A equals AB by AC, cos of 90 minus A equals BC by AC, and so on. Next, to comparing these two results. So I am going to, you take, this is result 1, this is result 2. I am going to compare these two results. Here we have BC by AC, the same ratio appears here. BC by AC. So here BC by AC can be written as sin A. Is it right? It is over. Next, AB by AC. Here we have AB by AC. This AB by AC can be replaced by cosine. Next, BC by AB, the same we have observed here. BC by AB is here, that can be written as tan A. And then AC by BC is available here, that is cosecant A. Next, AC by AB is present here, so this is equal to secant A. Next, AB time being, you ignore these ratios. You ignore all these ratios. Then what happens here? Sine of 90 minus A equals cos A. Cos of 90 minus A equals sin A. Tan of 90 minus A equals cot A. Cosecant of 90 minus A equals secant A. Secant of 90 minus A equals cosecant A. Cot of 90 minus A equals tan A. These said to be the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. And I am going to erase all these. Again, I am going to erase these ratios. So it means that sine of 90 minus A equals cos A. Cos of 90 minus A equals sin A. Tan of 90 minus A equals cot A. Cosecant of 90 minus A equals secant A. Secant of 90 minus A equals cosecant A. Cot of 90 minus A equals tan A. So here you have to buy up all these results. So let us take example, then you can understand very easily. It means that it means cos A equals sin of 90. Then again you have to learn from LHS to RHS, RHS. So cos A can be written as sin of 90 minus A. Sin A can be written as cos of 90 minus A. Cot A can be written as tan of 90 minus A. Secant A can be written as cosecant of 90 minus A. Cosecant A can be written as secant of 90 minus A. Tan A can be written as cot of 90 minus A. So here sin changes to sin. Sin changes to cos. Cos changes to sin. Next, tan function changes to cot, and cot changes to tan. Okay. Next, secant A changes to cosecant A, and cosecant A changes to secant A. Okay. So here it means that here you learn like this. Here what observe that sin ratio changes to cos, and cos changes to sin. Tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan. Secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant. Now let us see example here. Suppose I am having sine of 30 degree. Sine 30 degree can be written as cos of 90 minus A. That is cos of 90 minus A means 30 degree. Is it right? Cos of 90 minus A. So 90 minus 30 means 90 minus 30 is 60. So that is equal to cos 60. Sin 30 equals cos 60. Just to recall the formulas what I studied, trigonometric ratios of particular angles. Sin 30 value is half. Again cos 60 is equal to half. Okay. So here you better to write here directly. So what that means here sin 30 can be written as, first you write this ratio cos. Next here what comes here? Here 90, you subtract 30 from 90, you get 60. So that is equal to cos. You can write directly like that. Next, suppose I am having like this. Cos 72 degree. Cos changes to sin. First you write here sin, and then you subtract 72 degree from 90. So we get how much here? That is 10 minus 2 is 8. That is 18. Cos 72 degree equals sin 18 degree. And secant of 8 degree equals secant changes to cosecant. You subtract 8 from 90. So we get 82 degree. That is 82 degree. Like this. Next, cot 36 degree equals cot changes to tan. You write here tan and subtract 36 from 90. practice like this for different angles, then the problems will become very easy in the exercise 8.3. I hope all of you understood this right. Okay, thank you.